Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today a quick video how to replace battery on Audi remote control, you know, the Audi key. So if you have an A4, A6, A8, A3, something like that, guys, we are doing engine replacement here, but we'll show you guys how to actually replace the battery in one of those. Okay, see, in our case, ours is not locking the doors. Okay, see, it just doesn't work at all. So what we will need to do, guys, now, okay, we will need to get a screwdriver. Okay, just a flathead small screwdriver. We are going to open the key. Okay, and when you open the key, guys, okay, now right here we're going to apply a little bit of pressure on the inside so we don't cause any damage on the outside. You can go here a little bit with a small screwdriver, but usually you leave marks. What I usually do, I go right here between the two, okay, and just spray it like that. You see, both pieces started spreading. Okay, it's coming out. You don't need that part anymore. We are going to be working with this one here. So what you need to do, okay, we'll need to open this one. Just grab it with your fingers, okay, and open it. Make sure that your keychain thing doesn't fall off. It stays right here. And the battery is located on this side, okay, over here. So now I'll just pry this one open. Okay, with the screwdriver, and this is the battery number. Okay, let me get it for you. Okay, CR2032. I'll get a new battery. Okay, and we need to install it now. It goes this way first. Okay, and then we need to push it in. Next, okay, you need to make sure that all the connections here are clean and everything. It's usually waterproof remote, but this one is not anymore. Okay, and you click until you push it until everything clicks tight. Then all you have to do, okay, you will just need to go ahead and push it in until it clicks. Okay, like that. Alright guys, so we got the key now. Okay, lock, unlock. Okay, so now we unlocked it. Let's see if it's going to lock it. Okay, perfect. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.